Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how to use clipboard in your Motorola smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So first let's copy any of the sentence, or you can say title. So first here you can see some of the images and titles are here. So I am just copying here first. Let's go to any topic. Let's just open this, and you have to just long press this, and you have to just copy or select all. Then you have to just simply copy that, and it will be saved to your clipboard. And then you have to click on any of the search bar. You have to tap on here, so there will be, you have to click on this. Here it will show you this clipboard. You have to just simply tap on here. It will, you have to click on turn on clipboard. It will save that as your recent title. So click on that, the saved, this will be shown on this. And if you want to pin this, you have to long press it and click on pin, paste, edit, delete, and this one, paste. So you can click any of this. If you want to edit this in between, you can write the title over here, or any mistake you have, you can correct it, or you can just pin it. So I am just pinning it, and now it is pinned. Right now it will never be deleted automatically. If I have to, you can just unpin it. After some times it will be deleted. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.